Hey there everyone, welcome. Thanks very much for joining me for another great little segment of Roddos Rules where we take all those good old-fashioned recipes, we take out the bad stuff, we put in the good stuff, and we come up with some brilliant, healthy alternatives to the food that we eat every single day. And all these things can help you lose some weight, help you manage your type 2 diabetes a whole lot better than what you've been told in the past. So what are we cooking today? Well, chocolate mug cake. And as you can see, a bit of a twist there. It's a mug, not a mug cake. Get it? Anyway, aside from the puns. So what have we got for the sin bin today? Well, imagine you've had your dinner, it's winter, you're kicking around at home and you're feeling like a little bit of something just to finish off the evening with. A little bit of dessert, a bit of a snack, and in the past, you'd pull out, a bit of old chocolate cake. We've all had chocolate cake. We love chocolate cake, but again, it's full of wheat, it's full of flour, it's full of all this stuff we don't want to eat. So that's going in the sin bin, and that's going straight to my brother-in-law because he loves chocolate cake. And as an alternate, we're going to go back to our choc mug cake. So this is really, really simple, really easy, and this is a recipe for one. So as you can see, I've got a mug. That's going to be the basis of our mug cake for today, and we're going to get started. So from the top, really easy ingredients. 3 tablespoons of almond meal or almond flour, not wheat flour, okay? 1.5 tablespoons of cacao powder, a pinch of salt, a large egg, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar. Super easy, super quick. So what we've got here, we've got all the ingredients, all the dry ingredients, all measured out, ready to go. So we're going to pop those straight into our mixing bowl there. Beautiful, that's all done. And we're going to take our other second little bowl here, and we're going to do all our wet ingredients separately. So, as I said, our 1 egg, we're going to crack that in there. Pop that there. And we're just going to give that just a quick mix. Ready to go. Beautiful. And now we're going to go for all our wet ingredients. So our 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, I'm going to pop that in. Beautiful. Our extra virgin olive oil, and as you can see from the other chef, go and see Chef Ian Mon down at the other chef, down in Port Macquarie there at the industrial area. They've got loads of these really, really good products. Support the locals, great stuff. So we've got 2 teaspoons of our olive oil. 1, 2, beautiful. Pop that to the side. And a little bit of salt, add in. Going to give that a quick mix up. And we're going to pop all that in together there. Beauty. Now let's give that a bit of a stir. As you can see, that's all coming together nicely there. How quick and easy is this? Look at that. Looks super. Oh, smells magic. Smells absolutely beautiful. All right, so that's almost there, ready to go. So we're going to take our mug that we're going to use instead of a baking tray or something like that. Again, good old-fashioned hard block butter, healthy butter. The only way to go. Going to take a bit of that, and we're going to just grease the inside of our cup, just to help him when we get him out, so he doesn't stick too much. Put that to the side, and we're going to pop our mixture in there. As you can see, it doesn't make too much, but just enough just for one person. So if you've got a family of 4, just make one at a time or batch it up, measure out the quantities and go a little bit more. And that's it, that's your mug for one. One last stir there. All right, now we're going to take that, we're going to pop it in the microwave for 60 seconds on medium setting and go for a little bit longer if it's still not quite ready yet. And there you have it, all done. 60 seconds, all finished. And it smells just like chocolate cake. And a little bit of butter there has helped it not stick to the sides. I'm going to tip her out. Oh, look at that. Absolutely magic. Couldn't ask for more. Perfect, absolutely perfect. So there you go, a really, really quick, easy dessert. You can throw this together after dinner, no preparation, just spare of the moment sort of thing. Grab some really good ingredients, pop it together in the microwave, serve it up, and you're done with a beautiful hot dessert, good to go on these cold, cold winter nights. Thanks very much for joining me. Really pleased you came along again today for another great segment of Roddos Rules. If you want to find out any more of our recipes, hop onto our website, sportsadventure.com.au. We've got a swag of desserts and meals and snacks and drinks and all sorts of food there that you can make at home, really quick, really, really easy, and to help you lose weight, help you feel well, and help you manage your type 2 diabetes, which is a real struggle at the best of times. Thanks very much for tuning me in. Really pleased to have you here. Catch you next week.